Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the font of a specific text in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to change the font of a specific text. Now I am select this cell and go to the home menu. Then select the font option. You can add any font. Now I am add the impact font, then press enter. We can see we change the font style impact. You can change the another font. Select the cell, we select the cell, click and drag on our mouse. Now I am click the drop down menu and change the font size. Now I am make the font size, then double click on this cell to make auto fit. Now we can see we change the font of a specific text in Excel easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.